guys, I hope you're having a good Wednesday night. I decided to come on here and show you my little random snack that I made. It's these little tiny, they're like naan bread, but just like little baby ones. And then I put this blueberry vanilla goat cheese on top of that, and one of these little baby dried apricots. So yeah, this is how I live my life these days, because I just can't get into the mindset to function as like a normal person. So this is what I do, and this is how I've been going about. So I'm going to give it a try. I did go to my appointment today with the doctor to get my blood work done. I won't have the results till tomorrow or the next day, but I'm hoping everything has just like improved so much. I mean, he was so impressed. I lost almost 50 pounds since the beginning of January, and just everything has been going okay for the most part. I mean, except for the fact that, you know, with my brother and everything, just kind of put a whole just whirlwind of all this stuff going on, and it just stressing me out. But I'm trying to just, you know, get my, oh, this is so crumbly, all my nutrition in where I can, and try to stay afloat with what I'm trying to do here. So yeah, I'm going to give this a try. It looks pretty good. Yummy, it's good. Oh, I also found these at the $1.25 tree. They're called these peach rings with Tajín. It intrigued me. I was quite intrigued. I was like, well, yes, ma'am, I think I'll try it, you know? That's what I do. I see things that are like, what the heck? What? And then I'm like, I'm going to give it a go. So I'm gonna finish chewing this bite. But yeah, so I do want to do a comparison when I get my results back, because they were so bad in January. So I'm excited to see like what the numbers are, how they've improved. The doctor said out of 100 patients, like I was like up there with 1 or 2 with how successful I was on not just the weight loss, but just like improving everything, which I was like, dang, son, okay. All right. Well, it kind of gave me a little bit of a confidence, motivation boost for sure. This is good. You got to try that. Yeah, the little naan bread things, that goat cheese with the vanilla blueberry, and then these little dehydrated apricots. Chef's kiss. That's a winner. Okay, so now I'm just going to, I don't want a whole lot of, I just want one to try. I know they're not like, you know, the best thing in the world health-wise. They got like 76% of your daily value added sugar in the whole bag. So we're just going to try one. And then, you know, I'll see if my daughter wants the rest. But yeah, that's what it looks like. You can see the Tajín on there. Let's give it a try. I mean, it's exactly what you think it would be. It's a peach ring covered with Tajín. So yeah, I give it like a 7 out of 10. These are a 10 out of 10. Yeah, I hope y'all have a great night, and I will see you soon.